If you want to view your MSN email, this quick tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to get into your inbox using the web browser. Whether you use MSN for personal messages, old contacts, or important account notifications, this method will help you sign in and access your email in just a few simple steps. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you already have installed. In the address bar, type live.com and press enter. This will take you to the Microsoft Mail portal, which is where MSN email accounts are accessed online. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button. You'll usually find it in the top right corner of the page, or sometimes centered depending on the layout Microsoft is showing at the time. Click sign in to begin the login process. Now you'll be taken to the Microsoft sign in page. Here, type in your full MSN email address. For example, it may look something like your name at msn.com. Make sure you enter the complete address correctly so you can get to the right account. After that, click Next. On the next screen, enter your password carefully. If you have caps lock on, turn it off before typing. Passwords are case sensitive, so it's important to type everything exactly as it was set up. Once your password is entered, select Sign In. If your login details are correct, your browser will load the Outlook web interface. This is where MSN email is now managed online. You should see your inbox, along with folders, messages, and all the usual email controls. From here, you can read new mail, reply to messages, organize folders, and search for older emails whenever you need them. If you don't see your inbox right away, give the page a moment to finish loading. Sometimes Microsoft may ask for additional verification, especially if you're signing in from a new device or browser. Just follow the on-screen prompts if that happens, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to view MSN email online through the Microsoft Mail portal. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to go and what to click. If this guide helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.